Hello! Today I'm playing Hogwarts Legacy on Xbox Series X. In this video I'll show you how to adjust audio accessibility functions. In the beginning, let's go to menu and enter accessibility. Scroll down and as you can see right here we've got audio visualizer icon key, Vizualizer icon transparency, and Vizualizer size. First, you can enable or disable this function, which activates or deactivates the audio visualizer, which uses on-screen icons to indicate audio events. Next, you can change audio visualizer key. You can check audio visualizer icon key. Then you can adjust audio visualizer icon transparency between 0 and 1, and then you can adjust audio visualizer size. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.